Mar.
Oh, I can do it!
They can do it! No, you can't!
You're not the little engine that could.
The little engine that sucked ass. Mar. You are such a fucking moron!
Mar!
You do not have the ability to take it full head on and push out. Look at that! Fuck, Mar. Fuck.
Oh fuck, what? Oh my god. Oh shit.
What?
Oh, fuck.
Did you see that shit?
Oh my god.
Definitely start pulling the front parts.
Oh my god.
No! At an angle, a massive angle. Mar, no, not up and down angle. What the fuck are you doing? Mar, grab that. But no, not from here, not from here. Turn the camera. Yes, that one right there. Turn the camera and pull it sideways.
That's not even the one I was going for.
I don't care. It's the one I want you to go for. So it is the one you're going for.
I don't like that at all. I do not like that.
Okay, take out this left one right here, yeah.
Oh, so this next part is critical as fuck. I'm thinking take apart the next left one.
Yeah, because it's that one's more in the center. Cause
yeah, and then if this falls to the side, I think it should be okay. It should be supported by.
Yes, we got it. We got this, Mar. If you fuck up, oh my god, I'm gonna. What the fuck are you doing? No! Oh my god! What did we say? Mar, I can't believe you just fucking did that! You are the most biggest blazing retard I've ever fucking seen! Mar, I can't believe you just did that! What in the holy living fuck did I say? We said it! The camera said it! Everyone said it! We told you, don't touch anything! Except for the bottom! We, as in me and Corey, only will take care of the shit that actually matters! Oh my god!
Okay.
You're so fucking stupid!
Alright.
My asshole is now a dick!
Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck! Fuck!
Alright, I get it, Mar. We've been making fun of you this whole time, so you feel emasculated. Thus, you want to try the trickiest, most fucked up part of this whole thing, just to see if you could do it. You know, try to regain some of your
It
memory.
looks easy as fuck! Are you kidding me? If a dick is this big, and the dick is this big, what looks easy? Nothing! Mark, there is nothing easy about that! That was complicated as fuck! There is so much fucking pressure going on in that fucking ball right there! I can't even believe it!
Alright,
oh my god! How the fuck is that easy as fuck? Mar!
And Mar, I'm not doubting your ability to do it. I'm doubting the ability of your godforsaken thing. Your Wiimote. That thing is garbage. Now,
You're garbage! Oh my god!
and you literally just fucked it all up. What was that? Was that like half an hour of work?
No!
Of stress? Of white hair?
My dick is now brown! It's shit! Mar, you're shit! I can't believe you just did that! What in the fuck?
Now,
What were you thinking?
I'm gonna try to be nice here, Mar. It was a nice try. It was a nice try, but you fucked it up! What the fuck? Why? Why? Now, for the love of God, I hope this is a lesson to you not to do that again. Otherwise, I will rip your asshole open like this. Oh my god. Do you know?
Right here, you were looking at the biggest fucking retard known to man. I can't believe he just did anything he just did. I can't even believe he's living anymore. It's fucking ridiculous. More fucking ridiculous.